Hello, now I want to show you about free fall. In the first experiment, we use two examples. First is pressure box, and second is a paper, a sheet paper. Now we want to analyze free fall on only the pressure box. This will like around because the pressure box is in cylinder shape. According to the experiment, we calculated that time is 0.55 seconds. Initial velocity is 0 meter per second because we start at rest. Then the acceleration is negative gravitational acceleration. Since the movement of the object is downward to the earth, and the gravitational acceleration is 9.81 meter per second Now we want to calculate what the distance between my hand to the list. According to the kinetic equations, we have these equations. Distance equal to initial velocity times time plus half acceleration time square. Because the square of final velocity is equal to square of square of initial velocity plus 2 times acceleration times distance, and this is Vf equal to Vi plus At, and this is a kinetic equation which we use to find D. Then we want to find what the distance of the distance. To find the distance, we use this equation. Let's equal time initial velocity. We get negative acceleration. Now we can put in this equation. Vi times T plus half A T square, and we get negative 1.8 meter. Since the distance is a scalar quantity, so we just say is 1.48 meter. To find final velocity, we can use this, or maybe this. First, I want to show you about this equation. Vi plus AT, and then we get negative 5.0 meter per second. If you use this equation, we got assingment. How about we use this equation since Vf is here? I'm sure and confidently we use this equation, we get Vf like this also. Now I want to analyze about the paper. When according to the experiment obtained, mass of pressure box is 0.8, while mass of paper is 0.005 kilogram. And this one is different. We got time different too. That is time of paper is 0.97 seconds. When we use this kinetic equation, we got V initial times T plus half A T square, and now we got 4.62 meter. Before this, the pencil box distance is 1.48 meter. Now, while the distance is different, it should be the same distance since the object fall from the same person. Why this happen? Because paper undergo swinging. If the paper just falls straight back to the ground, I'm sure that the time is the same. So we got the same distance in the theory.
Well, in my left hand I have a feather. In my right hand I have a hammer. And I guess one of the reasons we got here today was because of a gentleman named Galileo a long time ago who made a rather significant discovery about falling objects in gravity fields. And we thought that where would be a better place to confirm his findings than on the moon. And so we thought we'd try it here for you. The feather happens to be appropriately a falcon feather for our falcon. And I'll drop the two of them here, and hopefully they'll hit the ground at the same time. How about that? Which proves that Mr. Galileo was correct in his findings.
تر أن الله سخر لكم ما في الأرض والفلك تجري في البحر بأمره ويمسك السماء أن تقع على الأرض إلا بإذنه إن الله بالناس لرءوف رحيم يا معشر الجن والإنس إن استطعتم أن تنفذوا من أقطار السماوات والأرض فانفذوا لا تنفذون إلا بسلطان والسماء بنيناها بأيد وإنا لموسعون وإذا الأرض مدت فقضاهن 7 سماوات في يومين وأوحى في كل سماء أمرها وزينا السماء الدنيا بمصابيح وحفظا ذلك تقدير العزيز العليم حتى إذا جاءوا قال أكذبتم بآياتي ولم تحيطوا بها علما أم ماذا كنتم تعملون فلا أقسم بالخنس فلا أقسم بمواقع النجوم إذا النجوم طمست إذا الشمس كورت وإذا النجوم انكدرت وإذا الكواكب انتثرت والنجم إذا هوى الله الذي رفع السماوات بغير عمد ترونها ثم استوى على العرش وسخر الشمس والقمر كل يجري لأجل مسمى يدبر الأمر يفصل الآيات لعلكم بلقاء ربكم توقنون ومن آياته أن تقوم السماء والأرض بأمره ثم إذا دعاكم دعوة من الأرض إذا أنتم تخرجون إن الله يمسك السماوات والأرض أن تزولا ولئن زالتا إن أمسكهما من أحد من بعده إنه كان حليما غفورا وإن يروا كسفا من السماء ساقطا يقولوا سحاب مركوم يوم نطوي السماء كطي السجل للكتب كما بدأنا أول خلق نعيده وعدا علينا إنا كنا فاعلين سنريهم آياتنا في الآفاق وفي أنفسهم حتى يتبين لهم أنه الحق أولم يكف بربك أنه على كل شيء شهيد أأنتم أشد خلقا أم السماء بناها رفع سمكها فسواها والأرض بعد ذلك دحاها والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان